Introducing Worx Advanced Intelligence Drill, an evolution in tool technology with 3 amazing new features. Bit lock automatically centers and locks in bits. Safe drive senses when the screw is seated and stops the drill for you. And Pulse Assist is anti-slip technology that makes it simple to drill into hard materials and remove stripped screws. AI does the thinking so you can focus on the doing. Worx AI Drill.
Tasks in and around your home are different. But with one powerful interchangeable battery system, you can tackle them your way. With the right tool and plenty of power at hand. Use the interchangeable battery system for convenience and savings. Whether it's a labor of love, your pursuit of perfection, or just something to get done so the fun can begin. One system, endless tasks. With the BLACK+DECKER 20-volt max system, you have power for your style.
Hey, this is the Bosch DDB 181 18-volt compact drill driver. It's the lightest and most compact 18-volt half-inch drill driver on the market, and it's a great value. The DDB 181 is so compact, it's optimized to get into those tight and hard-to-reach places. The lightweight design reduces fatigue during daily use so you can work longer. With 350 inch-pounds of torque and 1300 RPM, you'll be able to fasten with power and drill with speed. The half-inch auto-lock chuck works for a broad range of applications, and the built-in LED helps eliminate those dark workspaces. With the Bosch flexible power system, the DDB 181 works with any Bosch 18-volt lithium-ion battery on the market. Electricians, plumbers, installers, and HVAC contractors will love this thing. Whether you're driving into metal or wood, this drill can handle these light-duty applications easily. So, if you're looking for something ultra-compact with good power that's also a good value, this guy is the perfect tool for the job. Thanks again for watching the DDB 181 18-volt compact drill driver. For more information on this tool, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch 18-volt cordless power tools.